I'm Tennille. I'm in Cylinder Bay at the moment. I'm doing acting leading hand role at the moment. Loving it. It's something different, looks good. I like the challenge. I've been here for 6 years. I started here in 2013 as an apprentice, and then I got put on for a 12-month contract, then got put on as a full-time employee at Hastings, and then been in Ramsay Bay for 2 years, and then stepped up and been doing acting leading hand every then. So we strip and rebuild and inspect our cylinders. We test them as well, and then we get them done for our customer satisfaction. We have our serious times, and then we have our laughs as well. We all get together on Friday afternoons just to up the morale in this bay. Fun, they're amazing to work with. We've got a bit of variety on who we've got in this bay, but we're not all the same. We like to get together on weekends. We're all fun. We experience off each other. We bounce ideas off each other. One person doesn't know, the next person will. So the experience just runs freely in this bay. So we go through training at least once a month. Someone's on a training course, which is really good. They don't leave you in the deep end. They've always got something for you to do. One thing I wanted to do was work with my hands. Hastings Dairying gave me the opportunity. It's a joy to come to work.